In a world driven by data, the need for rapid analysis is undeniable. Yet, with this demand comes a heightened expectation for privacy and security. Organizations must ensure that their analyses don't compromise individual or company confidentiality. Imagine handling sensitive data in industries like healthcare or finance. The challenge is to analyze data without revealing personal details. This is the delicate balance organizations must achieve to maintain trust and compliance. An international company faced the following dilemma: analyze detailed market data without exposing individual players. Small datasets pose a significant confidentiality risk, demanding a solution that balances detail with privacy. The need for a solution is critical. Organizations must navigate the fine line between detailed insights and privacy protection, ensuring no individual or entity is inadvertently exposed. iRIX has developed a library to allow Statistical Disclosure Control, SDC, to tackle this challenge. SDC applies data protection rules directly at the database level, ensuring privacy before data reaches BI tools like Power BI or Tableau. For the use case, the key safeguarding rules were: aggregated must contain data from at least 3 independent participants, and ensuring the contribution of the 2 biggest participants may not represent more than 80% of the total. If these rules aren't met, the system returns no data, safeguarding confidentiality. This SDC solution, implemented with the means of Exasol's preprocessor, enforces privacy directly in the database real-time validation, offering high performance without burdening BI tools. This approach proves that data protection and analytical freedom can coexist. The potential of SDC spans various industries, from healthcare, telecommunications and finance to government, education and utilities. By adopting this solution, organizations can securely analyze sensitive data, empowering informed decisions without compromising confidentiality.